In today's video, I want to share with you the 4 different types of business models you can start implementing while starting out or growing your YouTube channel so that you can make money without relying on YouTube alone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carla Milanov, and if you want to learn about the different business models you can add in addition to your YouTube channel, then keep on watching. A lot of people think that after they meet YouTube's requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, that they will be making a lot of money, and that's simply not true. This is how a lot of content creators lose hope and feel defeated. They don't see the big picture on how YouTube can open up so many doors to provide other sources of income. So that's why in today's video, I want to suggest 4 other business models you can implement in addition to your YouTube channel. The first business model is through a service. Let's say you are a wedding videographer and you want to show people the type of videos you can create. YouTube is the perfect platform to showcase all your work, and it's free traffic. YouTube is showcasing exactly what you can offer to your potential customer. I mean, just think about it. There are so many people on YouTube, but more specifically, there are so many engaged couples on YouTube watching wedding videos, trying to get a sense for what they like and what they want for their wedding video. It's honestly a win-win for both the videographer and the other couple. You provide actual proof of your work, and your audience can decide whether they want to work with you or not. It's really a no-brainer. But if that doesn't provide enough convincing, here's another example. Let's say you are an interior designer. You can showcase your work on before and after work in homes, or even showcasing the whole process of remodeling a home. The opportunities are endless. So if you have an actual service you can provide to your audience, start a YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and drive traffic through posting content your target audience will want to see. And once you do that, you will have people wanting to work with you left and right. If you, 1, can solve their problem, and 2, they like the quality of your work presented through the videos. The next model I suggest while having a YouTube channel is selling digital products. Selling digital products is probably one of the smarter choices because you can target your audience from all over the world. Well, depending on what product you sell. But here's the thing, before you start to come up with a digital product and think you're going to make a ton of money off of it, you first need to establish a community, and what better way to do so than by YouTube? See, the beautiful thing about YouTube is that you can pretty easily start to build a community by posting relevant and consistent videos about whatever it is you're planning to sell in the future. But one thing a lot of content creators do that hurt them is that they think that they can start a YouTube channel and right away start talking about a course they're selling. You can't do this if you want to be successful. You need to provide free content by posting a good amount of videos and let your community build over time. And once you have a decent amount of followers, then start to slowly introduce your course. When someone watches your content and they find it helpful and they like your mannerisms and your personality, they are more likely going to buy from you because they trust you and they already know what they should expect in terms of how you talk, how you present information, and so on and so forth. Rome wasn't built overnight, and neither will your business. You need to have patience and be willing to gain the trust of your audience before asking them to pull out their wallets. But if selling a service or a digital product is not for you, then consider selling a physical product. And similar to what I was saying earlier about selling a digital product, you first need to provide as much free content to your audience before introducing the product and asking them to buy. Think of it this way. Would you straight up buy a car that you've never heard of, or would you buy a car that has a ton of reviews, videos, pictures that showcase what the car looks like and also the reviews people have left on it? It's the same thing. You can't expect someone to buy from you if they have never heard of you. You need to be present. You need to get your content shown in front of them, and you need to gain their trust. And lastly, if you don't want to pursue any of those models, then this next one is for you: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing even works for those of you who have a small following. See, with affiliate marketing, you are advertising someone else's product in exchange for monetary value. But here's the catch. As I mentioned in all 3 previous models, you don't want to start a YouTube channel and immediately start promoting products. Ask yourself, would you buy a product from someone who is advertising that you have never heard of before? The answer is probably no. So again, put yourself in your audience's shoes and provide as much valuable content they would like to see before promoting products. Now, if you're going to implement one of these models, comment below on which one. I'm curious to know what model stood out to you the most. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.